So in today's video, recently I've been organizing and I forgot that I have some goodies that I've been wanting to share with you. Some spooky things, some Halloween things. What else we got in here? If you are interested, keep on watching. Hey guys, it's me, Sam, also known as Halloween Happy. Welcome to my channel. I have some things that I wanted to share with you guys. I was moving around some stuff and I had these things and I was like, oh, maybe the Halloween Happy friends would like to see them. And sometimes I'll just kind of like hoard things because I want to make a video or share on my stories. And you know, it's hard to keep track of what I want to share and where I want to share it at. And I really felt like filming a video today. I filmed another one before this. Earlier this morning, I was just going like, I don't know, I was fine, but then I was also crying. So that's fun. And yeah, my videos might not be the greatest, the best, but I really do love making them. I love talking to you guys. And I was so happy filming the video that I did before this. I just was having fun. And I was like, well, if you guys can hear noises, it's my arms on my desk, not me farting. But I was like, well, let me just keep making a video. Let me just go ahead and make another video. So yeah, I'm not changing my top or anything like that. Okay? Okay? We're gonna stay in the same outfit. Sometimes when I do wear this for a video, people will ask where I got this sweatshirt from. And I actually found it thrifting not too long ago. So yeah, it's a little thrift find. Also, before we get started in the video, if you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on my notifications if you would like. That way you are notified when there is a new video on my channel. I upload weekly, so join us for some Halloween happiness. If you would like to support my channel in another way, you can definitely do that by buying me a coffee. The link is listed down below. Thank you so much for just being here and supporting my channel. We were downtown and I did a little bit of shopping, not too much because I am really trying to save money. I'm trying to pay down my school loan and I'm just trying to be an adult. I know I'm like 20 years late, but it's fine. I also have some Halloween crafts that I wanted to share with you guys. So the first item that I got is actually from a new shop here in Salem. It is called The Ossuary, and it's by Die With Your Boots On, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with. Definitely check out Die With Your Boots On. It's a fun goth shop. Check them out, Die With Your Boots On. They have a lot of cool clothes, accessories, shoes, just all sorts of stuff. It's one of my favorite places. I love them so much. I also have an affiliate code that's listed down below. So if you are looking to add some spooky things to your closet, check them out and use my code. You can save 10%. But recently they opened up a new shop here in Salem. It was at their old location because they moved recently down at the Witch City Mall. The other location they've turned into a different shop and I highly recommend. It's new, but I did pick up a new book. Is this distracting? I did pick up a new book to add to my collection and this one is called Shadows in Salem. I'm so excited. For anyone who knows the history, Salem, Massachusetts has more than a few stories to tell. Travel the Witch City within the pages of these collected short stories and know the captivating nature of one of the oldest towns in America. This is from Dead Publications. Love them. I have a few of their books, Fun Dead Publications. I highly, highly recommend. This is just like a beautiful book, right? Look at the cover. I'm excited to just like sit in my bathtub and read this. It's gonna be a good time. I just know it. I know it. I went to the Coven, which is like, they carry beauty items, also some apparel, makeup, a lot of cute things too. They're like a newer shop. I think they've been in Salem for a year or 2 years, but I love them. They're great. And I picked up a few items from them. Well, actually, Joe picked them up. He treated me to these things. It was very nice. It was like after one of our tiki cruises. Found a candle. I absolutely love candles so much. And this one is from, where are we from? Oh, I think it's Shop Cauldron. I don't know. That's what the website is. Kind of hard to tell. This fragrance is called Cider Hill. I just love the label of it so much. It's just like so fall, so October. And this honestly just makes me think of my Halloween parties. Like, I'm so nostalgic on Halloween scents. I love them so much. And this is like a good one. Very apple, very cider. Let's see if it says. So mulled apple cider, which I love apple cider. You get cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. And these are like all of my favorite fragrances. This smells so good. It's just like, this candle is too good to burn, really. It smells so good. Like, my mouth is watering from the apples. I can just taste it. You know when you buy like a get like a candied apple too. So you like the candied apples. Do you guys like those? And it's just like candy, like eating a candy apple on a fall warm day, like where it's kind of warm but it's cooling down. Got some sage. I also grabbed some bath bombs because you guys know I love my bath time. It's like my me time. It's been so hot recently that I've just literally been swimming in my bathtub. I'm not even joking. The hot water is too hot, so now we are on like a cool water. We're on a cool water, so I'm acting like I'm at the swimming pool in my bathtub. Like, it's room temperature, maybe a little bit cooler than that. Okay, so these bath bombs come from, let me look, 'cause the label is ripping off. I got two, so I hope I can tell the brand on this one. So the brand is, okay, we're two different brands. Sorry about that. Here is the witch hat. So cute. Such a cute bath bomb. And it reads on the back, "What will your hat reveal about you?" The scent is cedar, patchouli, and amber, which I love, love, love. This one, ooh, sorry guys, but the label kind of ripped. I think it might be, it's hard to tell. Oh, I don't know. Crescent Swoon? Oh, it's so hard to tell because the price, they put the price tag on the label. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. It might be Crescent something, Crescent Mix, Crescent something Moon, or Crescent something Swoon. Sorry, guys. But anyways, this one is called Witch Bitch. And what are the fragrances with this one? Doesn't say the specific fragrances, but it's a very clean scent. All right, so the next thing that I got, this comes from Enchanted, and I got this for Sweet Raven. It is a pet protection charm to hold in your hand and say, "I protect my animals from any negative or positive energies that come to do harm," and to put on her little collar and just protect her, because we're all about protecting our vibes, our energy. I'll even like sage Raven and give her good blessings and just give her good energy. I want my dog to feel good, pretty much. I get so many questions whenever I do craft videos, collection, my craft stash, all of that stuff. A while ago, Michelle gave me some sweet Halloween things, and I was so shocked. And they are things that fit right into my craft collection. I'm excited to get them organized. I've been keeping them in this little bag. We have like all sorts of little craft things in here. Actually, now that I'm talking, a few of these things I got myself. I forgot that I got these. I was wondering where these were at. Do you see how my life is together? I could have done like a little Halloween craft haul. This is craft haul. Welcome to a video. Welcome to this segment. All right, I'm just going to show you guys the things I got recently. Oh, when we went to Maine for the Stephen King tour, I still need to edit that vlog, so stay tuned for that. But there was a Hobby Lobby, and a lot of times they have their paper studio items half off, and I wanted to go ahead and get some because the Hobby Lobby from here is like an hour away. My friend, they're actually from Canada. We went to Maine with them, and I guess they don't have a Hobby Lobby in Canada, so she wanted to go, so she went, and thankfully they had 50% off the craft things that I always get in my stash. I picked up, all of these are Paper Studio, so I picked up a lot of these embellishments. I love working with these so much. They're just like these little sticker jewels. A few of these star sticker sheets. Stars, I love these so much. Found these little star buttons that are so cute. More glitter pumpkins because I always keep these in my stash because I use them for everything. Very cute. Also added some more of these leaves. These are buttons. So these are like repetitive things that I always get. Stocked up on these cute adhesive black bows. These are repeats. Also stocked up on the spider adhesives. They're so cute. So the things that Michelle got me, I think she was like at Michael's a while ago picking up some cake decorating stuff, and she found these stickers, and I'm like, oh wait, no, she actually got these on eBay. She found a lot, and I'm like, you found these for me? So Michelle, if you're watching this video, thank you so much, because honestly, jackpot. Check out Michael's come Halloween season, like now, not now, in a few weeks, depending when this video comes out, but stock up. Do not wait until September. Don't even wait till August. Don't even wait till the last of August, but stock up, honestly. So she got me, I have a few sheets of these. These are like the cutest little stickers. Look at how cute these are. Just like my aesthetic, my vibe. A few sheets of those. These glitter stickers, I love these so much. They're kind of textured. They kind of remind me of like sticker tattoos. They're so cute. These little guys, which I love these so much. These are just absolutely adorable. All of these glitter jack-o'-lanterns, so cute. All the possibilities. I love these. I don't really have any stickers like these, but I can definitely use these, especially come Halloween. Frankenstein and Bride themed. Got 2 sheets of those. You get like a little potion bottle, little lips with some fangs, skulls, and then of course the little silhouettes of Frank and Bride. Our glitter embellishments that just say boo. Also adhesives. I really love these a lot. So many things I can do with these. Cutting dies were included. Little metal dies that cut these little shapes. Also, this was in the bag. And it's a reminder that I definitely need to edit the vlog. Stay tuned for that. Oh, I'm feeling kind of sleepy right now. Hope you guys like this video. I know it's just kind of like a little random one. You guys seem interested in Salem and Salem shops, craft stuff, Halloween stuff. So I wanted to share it with you guys. And I honestly just wanted to make myself feel better by filming a video. Let me know how your week is going. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!